Welcome back, money makers. Welcome back. If you picked any of my stocks in the last 2 or 3 videos, you've been crushing it, right? So I'm excited. You must be excited. Let's get into it. We're going to talk about some stocks today. Don't say I didn't tell you. Don't say I didn't tell you. Let me just minimize myself a little bit here. Hold on. Don't say I didn't tell you about SanDisk. I was shouting it out when it was down here, this level, here, that level. Okay, look, I don't know how much straight up we can get. I mean, that is straight up. This is SanDisk. Now it's trading at $576.25. Parabolic, I mean, if this isn't parabolic, I don't know what is. So I was calling it down here and here. We were bumping against this line. It was support. And then here again, support, right? We shot up because it had earnings. And it did fantastic. So now, it's just what's going to happen, in the future and everything. Next earnings in 102 days. I want to show you that down here for technicals. It says strong buy. Analyst ratings down here. Buy. Right? Charts looking lovely. Click like, subscribe if you like something going in this direction, right? Tell me about it. I wish I caught more of the move for the public account, but at least I caught what I did, okay, for the public account. We like things. This is still SanDisk. It's been up 1,472%. 1,472% for the year, okay? It's a neutral rating here. To me, it's outperforming. You can read this part here. It's telling you what SanDisk Corporation is all about. Okay, their headquarters in California. All right. So you can see that information there. This is technology sector. So you can look at that right there. Here we go. Strong buy. Is rated a strong buy. 16 analysts giving it a strong buy. Down here we see this. We see this. Okay, so this is very nice. But something to know is that since it's so high up right now, I mean, it has to fall down. It has to fall down. So you have to let it breathe. It's going to come down. So I'll probably take some profits, let it come down, re-enter back in, and then ride it up for another wave. Okay, so this is not the time to enter when it's going like straight up like that. Like an airplane doesn't fly like that, right? So it can only sustain that kind of trajectory for a little while. So you have to be careful. Remember, this is not financial advice, okay? So now also, something else I wanted to bring up. We're having a lot of volatility in the market. I have still another stock to go and everything, but I want to bring up some things. We're having a lot of volatility in the market. You see here how Meta outperformed. They did well with their earnings. But then we have Microsoft that fell out of bed and messed up the earnings. So it gave a lot of volatility to the market. So we have mixed earnings going on. And then we have these tariffs that are looming too at the same time. So with the mixed earnings, tariffs, and then gold and silver fell, it was going up. But when the time you start hearing about every regular Joe talking about gold and silver, like when your mother can call you and say, hey, it's time to buy gold, that's when you know, oh, the free ride's probably over. It fell out of bed on Friday, so that's going to need time to stabilize as well before ramping up again. If it does, who can say? But the fundamentals of why it ramped up the first time is still in place. So it probably will again, but that's going to need time to simmer down and consolidate itself. So now the next stock that we did real well on, if you're following the channel, is NOC. NOC. I called it down here, okay, in this area, and I was like, these are big candles. It's going to shoot up. I said it was going to shoot up. I said, I don't know how fast it'll go. Try to catch it. I didn't catch the move, doing things, right? I called the move, but I didn't catch the move. So if you caught the move, write that in the comments below. I want to know who caught it from this channel when I was calling it out, okay? Cheers to you. Cheers. So anyway, we went up nicely. I was calling because we're still kind of down in the support level too. This is a defense play. And also we had earnings too on this stock. So we don't have to go for another 82 days here. So technically it's saying buy here, analysts buy. But you see there's resistance up here. We're coming up to resistance. So look how it shot up nicely. So remember, calling it all the way down here at a $600 level, shooting up to highs of 700. You see this little wick up here? 100 points. Okay, 100 points. Whoever made the 100 points, I'm telling you, tell me in the comments. Okay, but I'll get a piece. Don't worry. I'll get mine. I always do. Okay, so here we go. As I was saying, we have it up here now. The technicals, the analysts, ratings. Okay, now down here, outperform. Northrop Grumman, NOC, outperform rating, giving it a 9. This is the aerospace and defense. Okay, aerospace and defense company worldwide, with people want to invade other countries to take it over. If you're for that or not, it's not the point. But defense is a thing, right? So when contracts roll into defense, money can be made. So that's something to know right there. This is the PE down here, 23.9. Down here, you have your rating consensus, strong buy. So I wanted to show you, these things here. 14 analysts, rating, strong buy. So now this is another thing I told you. Remember, it's high up. So it's going to be some resistance. So we have to be careful of how you want to get into that stock too. So now if you're still here at this time of the video, write Moneymaker and in the comments. And I have some news for you. Okay, let's see here. I told you about the gold and silver. Let that, simmer down and consolidate before trying to get back in. Because let's see what's going to happen with that. We have Kevin Walsh, I believe. He's going to replace Powell in May as the new Fed chair. So that's some other news you need to know. But the earnings that are coming, that's what we want to know. Okay, Monday, we have Palantir and Disney. Tuesday, we have AMD and PayPal. AMD, woo. Okay, Wednesday, we have Google and Uber. Okay. Thursday, we have Amazon. And Friday, we have SoFi. All right, so it's going to be another volatile week. Let's see who comes in good. If you want to know what stocks I want to get into for the future, you let me know in the comments below, and I'll tell you what stocks I'm going to be getting into. There's a couple of stocks that I'm looking to get my feet wet into, for sure. I'll see you in the next video. It's good to be a part of this community with you, us together. Let's just make money together. See you. Bye.